Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are all safe at home. So in the previous session we discussed curved surface area of cylinder and as well as total surface area of cylinder. So what is CSA of cylinder? That is CSA of cylinder is equal to which is equal to 2 pi r h as well as TSA, that is total surface area. CSA, curved surface area, total surface area of cylinder, which is equal to that is 2 pi r into r plus h. Clear? Already in the previous session we discussed these two formulas. The cylinder which is in the form of cylinder, it should be like this. Clear? So you just see this is a little bit a pipe type. Clear? I told you already, I show you how to take a paper, rectangular paper and fold along with length or breadth, you will get a cylinder. Clear? Already we discussed in the previous session. Clear my dears? So now CSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi RH and TSA of cylinder equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So based on this, we are going to discuss some problems from the exercise 13.2. From the exercise 13.2. So see the first question everyone. Question number 1 we are going to discuss now. In the question number 1, they given exercise 13.2 question number 1. What is the question here? The curved surface area of right circular cylinder of height is 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So here they given height of the cylinder and as well as curved surface area of cylinder is given. Clear? They are asking the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So what is the base of the cylinder? Which shape it is? Right. The base of cylinder is always nothing but a circular shape. Now given that CSA of cylinder is equal to 88 centimeter square and as well as they given height also they given height h is equal to, that is how much they given here, 14 centimeter. Now let the radius of cylinder is equal to, that is it is centimeters, r centimeters. Clear? So now, what is this curved surface area of cylinder formula? By using that formula, we are going to find out r. That is, it gives the radius of the base. If you multiply with 2, you will get the diameter. Now, CSA of cylinder is equal to that is 2 pi r h. So now, what is the 2 pi r h here? So 2 pi r h is equal to the given 88 centimeter square. Now 2 into, here I told you in the previous class pi value is always 22 by 7. Here they did not mention pi value. So you can take 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 into r value we need to find out into h is equal to how much? 14, which is equal to 88. Right? So 7 ones are 7 twos are, right? 2 22s are 44, 44 twos are 88. Now which implies 88 into r is equal to 88. Now r is equal to 88 by cancellation you will get 1 centimeter. So the radius of the base we got the radius of base equal to 1 centimeter. So therefore here radius of base of the cylinder is equal to how much? Small r, which is equal to 1 centimeter we got. So therefore diameter is equal to that is 2 times of r, which is nothing but 2 into 1, which is equal to 2 centimeters. So this is the answer. Clear? Whatever the given values, by using the formula, whatever the required, that we are going to find out here. Clear my dears? So please copy this. Now, children, let us discuss question number 2. Here, what is the question number 2? Right? See, I am going to read the question. You just understand that. It is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Closed cylindrical tank. Everything will be closed here. So, keep it in mind, TSA. Right. Closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter is 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. So here it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So we need to find out the area of the metal sheet. Okay, how much square meters of metal sheet is required to make a cylindrical tank, a closed cylindrical tank. Here the given height is 1 meter and diameter of the base of the cylinder is 140 centimeters. So height is in terms of meters, diameter in terms of centimeter. So convert into both are in the same units. Now see this here. Given that the height of the cylinder, okay, the height of the cylindrical tank, right? Cylindrical tank H is equal to 1 meter, and as well as here they given the diameter of base of tank, cylindrical tank is equal to, right, the diameter is how much? That is 140 centimeters. So when you convert into meters, generally we know that 100 centimeters equal to 1 meter. So you just divide with 100, you will get divided by 100 is nothing but meters. So which is implies how much it is here? 140 by 100 is nothing but 1.4 meters. That is the diameter. Okay. If diameter is 1.4 meter, then radius small r is equal to 1.4 divided by 2, that is 0.7 meters. So we got height is 1 meter and radius is 0.7 meters. They are asking that how many square meters of metal sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank. Clear? So now, the total area of metal sheet is equal to, that is TSA of cylinder. We need to find out TSA of cylinder. What is TSA of cylinder? 2 pi r into r plus h. So which is implies 2 pi r into r plus h. So we know the values of r value and h value and pi value. We have to substitute here. 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is nothing but 0.7 into r plus h, that is 0.7 plus 1. Okay. Now which is implies 2 into 2, 22 is nothing but 44. By cancellation this is 0.1. This is by adding 1 plus 0.7 is 1.7. So which is implies here 44 into 0.1 is nothing but 1 by 10 into 1.7 is nothing but 17 by 10. Clear? Now is there any cancellation? Right? Otherwise you just multiply 17 into 44. 17 into 44 when we multiply, 4 7s are 28, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 68. Again 68. So 8, 14, 748. So which is implies 748 by 10 into 10 equal to 100. So you don't cancel here. In the denominators we have in terms of tens. Okay, finally you'll get division is very easy. 748 by 100 is nothing but 7.48 meter square. So therefore statement I am going to write here. So therefore here the total area of metal sheet is total or required area of metal sheet. Okay, required area of metal sheet is equal to Metal sheet is how much it is? 7.48 meter square. So this much area, this much metal sheet is required to make a closed cylindrical tank whose height is 1 meter and the diameter is 1.4 meters. Clear, my dears? Right, copy this. Right, children. Question number 3 we are going to discuss now. A little bit big problem, but you can understand very easily. Right? A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter and the outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. And find its inner curved surface area and as well as outer curved surface area and total surface area of the pipe. Here, see this here, they given one pipe, right? Here there are like this. See, cross section is nothing but inside there are two types are there. Clear? Like this, the pipe will be there. Okay? This is shaded part, that is the cross section. Okay, this is shaded part is there. Now there are two types of radius are there, inner and as well as outer. That means there are two cylinders are there. So inner diameter is nothing but this part, okay, and outer diameter is nothing but from here to up to total. Clear? This is inner and that is outer, right? Now we are going to write all this. And the height is same for inner and outer. Okay. Now given that the height of pipe is equal to, that is h, which is equal to 77 centimeters. Now inner radius, they given diameter, no, inner diameter, right? Inner diameter which is equal to 4 centimeter, then inner radius is equal to inner radius, that is we can take small r, nothing but 4 by 2, which is equal to 2 centimeters. Now also they given outer diameter which is equal to 4.4 centimeter, then outer radius, so we can take here capital R. Here already there are two radius are there, two diameters they given, okay. For inner diameter or inner radius I am going to consider as smaller, and outer radius is compulsory, you can take another variable, let us take capital R, okay. You did not get the confusion. Now outer radius capital R is equal to, that is 4.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2.2 centimeter by cancellation. So we got the inner radius and the height, outer radius and the height. So now we can find out inner curved surface area, outer curved surface area, and as well as area of that is total surface area of the cylinder. First of all, we are going to find out inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. That is where h is equal to, for this h is equal to 77 centimeter and small r is equal to 2 centimeter. So what is curved surface area of cylinder? CS of cylinder, which is nothing but 2 pi r h, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r value is 2 into 77 h. So 7 ones are 7 11s are, okay, 2 22s are 44, 2s are 88 into 11, which is equal to that is 8 11 8 88, 11 8 88 plus 8 is, that is 88 plus 8 is 96, 968 centimeter square, okay, 968 centimeter square. This is inner curved surface area, this part, inner cylinder, this part, okay, inner curved surface area we got, right? So now we are going to find out outer curved surface area. Right, second one, outer curved surface area, outer curved surface area, which is equal to where h is equal to where h is equal to 77 centimeter and capital R is equal to 2.2 centimeters. So same formula, but here 2 pi capital R into h, because already small r we are going to use, we used in the first part. For second part we are consider capital R is the radius. So which is implies 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R is 2.2 into 77. 7 ones are 7 11s again. Now by multiplying, the answer will become, what is the answer here? What is the answer? Now here 44 into 11 into 2.2. Okay. Now we can multiply here 44 into 11 into 2.2. So 11 4s are 44, 4, 11 4s are 44 plus 4 is 48 into 2.2. Okay. Again multiply with 22. That is 8, 16, 9. So again 9, 6, 8. So 8, 14, 10 plus 1, 6, and right. 1064.8. That is the answer is so therefore 2 pi capital R h is equal to, that is 1064.8 centimeter square. So that is the outer curved surface area of the pipe. Clear? Now we need to find out next one is the total surface area. Here you will get a small doubt. To find the total surface area, what we are going to consider? Which radius we are going to consider? It should be small r or capital R. Right? That is very important in this problem. Okay? To find the TSA of this pipe, we required, so we need to add inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area, and in between these two cylinders we have some part is there. That also we need to find out. That also we need to add to find the total surface area of the cylinder or pipe. Okay. Third part we are going to find out, that is TSA of pipe is equal to inner CSA area or inner curved surface area plus outer area or outer CSA, right? Outer CSA plus area of this cross section also. Area of cross section, right? That is, the cross section is nothing but in between these two cylinders. In between these two cylinders we have this part. This we are going to find out. That is in the form of ring. Instead of writing cross section, you can write area of top and bottom. Okay, top and bottom, both the ends. Okay, top and bottom. Clear? Now, which is implies that is inner curved surface area is nothing but already we got, that is the answer is 968 plus 1064.8 plus area of top and bottom. See this here top and bottom is nothing but it is in the form of ring, that is 2 pi capital R square minus small r square. That is the formula. You just keep it in mind. Area of ring, already we discussed in the previous classes. Area of ring is in the formula 2 pi into capital R square minus small r square. It gives that the middle part in between these two pipes, inner and outer. Between inner and outer you have some space, some area is there. That is we can find out by using this formula. So which is implies by adding 1064 plus 968, what is the answer here? By adding 968, you will get 8, 12, 13, 0, 2032.8 plus 2 pi, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into capital R square is nothing but that is 2.2 whole square, right? Minus here small r is nothing but 2 square. Okay. So now it is in the form of capital R square minus small r square. What is the formula we are going to apply here? A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. So which is implies 2032.8 plus that is 44 by 7 into here a plus b into a minus b formula. When we apply 2.2 plus 2 into 2.2 minus 2. Okay, so which is implies 2032.8 plus 44 by 7 into that is a 4.2 into that is 0.2. Clear? Now 4 point is nothing but 42 by 10. When we multiply, when we cancellation with 7, 7 ones are 7, 0.6. Clear? So now which is implies 2032.8 plus 44 into 6 by 10 into this is 7 ones are okay into 2 by 10. Clear? Now you should multiply 44 into 6 into 2 and divide with 100. You will get the solution. Okay, you can add to the 2032.8. Clear? Now when we multiply this 44 into 12, 44 into 12, 12 4s are 48, 12 4s are 48 plus 4 is 52, that is 528. Now which is implies 2032.8 plus 528 divided by 100, which is nothing but 5.28. Okay, so 2032.8 plus 5.28. Now by adding these two, you will get the answer. This is 5.28. So this is 8, 10, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 8.302. That is 2038. 2038 point, which implies 2038.08. That is, which is in the form of the given centimeter square. So therefore, the total surface area of this pipe is equal to how much it is? 2038.08 centimeter square. I'm going to write here the therefore statement. So therefore here, therefore TSA of pipe is equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. Clear, my dears? Only you will get the confusion, little bit confusion here. Generally, if you see plastic pipe, that is a water pipe, okay, it is a thickness is there. Think that this is a thickness. That thickness also we should add to find the total surface area of the pipe. Okay, because here outer surface area and inner surface area both are different. Because both are having different radius. To find the TSA of this pipe, we require only one radius. So to find that radius, here instead of finding the radius of the that part, we can find out the area of this in middle part. Okay, the thickness also, that is in terms of ring. Okay, so that also we need to add to find total surface area. Top and bottom areas we should add for both. Okay, so then area of top and bottom. Clear? So now, so you will get the answer. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood that. Okay, please copy this. Right, children, let us discuss question number 5. Okay, in question number 5, what is that here? A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. Here they given diameter and as well as height. Diameter in terms of centimeters and height they given in terms of meters. Okay, so given that diameter of pillar, which is equal to, that is diameter of pillar is nothing but 50 centimeter. Okay, that is 50 centimeter. So now let radius will become small r, which is equal to, that is d by 2. that is 50 by 2, which is nothing but 25 centimeter. When we convert into meters, because height they given in terms of meters, that is 25 by 100 meters. By cancellation, you will get r equal to 1 by 4 meters. Now also they given height h is equal to, that is 3.5 meters. Now they are asking directly, they are asking that what is the cost of painting of the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, now CSA of cylinder, what is the formula here? CSA of cylinder is equal to, that is 2 pi r h. We know the value of r, we know the value of h, we know the value of pi. Just substitute, you will get the answer. What is the CSA of cylinder or pillar? Okay. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into small r is 1 by 4 into h is nothing but 3.5. Okay. Now which is implies this is 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are again 2 11s are 7 1s are 7 0.5. Okay, when we multiply 11 into 0.5, which is nothing but 5.5. Okay, 5.5 meter square. Clear? This is a 5.5 meter square. This is CSA of the pillar. So therefore here CSA of pillar. Okay, don't confuse here about cylinder. Both are same. Pillar, which is equal to 5.5 centimeter square. Sorry, meter square. Okay. Now they given here the cost of 1 meter square, cost of painting of the CSA of a pillar, they given pillar at the rate of per meter square is 12 rupee 50 paisa, right? Now the cost of painting of CSA of pillar is equal to 12 rupee 50 paisa per meter square. Per 1 meter square, they given the cost is 12.50 rupee. Okay, then what is the cost of 5.5 meter square? So now therefore total cost is equal to, total cost of 5.5 meter square is equal to total cost for 5.5 meter square, which is equal to 5.5 into 12.50. Clear? Now you just multiply both, you will get the answer. Now when we multiply 1250 into 55, okay, 0, 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10 plus to 12, 5 1 is 5 1 plus 6, which is equal to 0 5 2 6. So 0 5 7 8 6. So here 1 2 3 68.75. So when we multiply these two, you will get the total cost is rupees 68.75. Okay, so that is the total cost for painting of the pillar. Okay, so therefore here total cost of painting, okay, total cost of painting of the pillar is equal to, rupees 68.75. okay, that is the solution. Directly they are asking that curved surface area of the pillar. Pillar is in the form of always cylinder. So therefore find out the CSA and multiply with whatever the given cost per meter square. Okay, multiply this area and as well as this value, you will get the total cost of the painting of the pillar. Okay, right. Clear, my dears? Please copy this. Right, children, I hope you understood that whatever we discussed the problems from the exercise 13.2 based on the cylinder, right circular cylinder, CSA as well as TSA. Clear, we discussed various different types of problems. Now here today's homework, page number 217, exercise 13.2, question number 4 and question number 6. Clear, my dears? I hope you understood that today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.